Hey guys, this is Lloyd, and we're going to be showing off my dad's truck. So we're gonna go this way, and then this is a little headlight there. And this is who he works for. Back up a little bit. Merker. And then this is his truck number. If you wanna know who's barking, it's this little doggy before. I know you guys have seen him before. And him. I know you guys have seen them before. So yeah, there they are. And then, yeah, I'm going to get on here. And I've been on that before. Never seen me done this before. I'm on plain tire, see? And just so you know how I'm doing this, I'm pointing the camera down. Hi. Hey Alex, say hi to my YouTubers. So that's my little brother. There's his fuel tank, so huge.
I was practicing my run.
Sorry if it shook a little bit there, but I had to get down. And now we're gonna go inside it. Here's the front. We're not gonna go inside it, we're gonna look inside
Don't
it.
get up in there, just clean that floor over there.
So there's the inside. There's the bed, little towel. And if you're wondering what that little bump thing's up there, that's a double bed. Yeah, there you go. And there's my dad. He's going to be cleaning this truck. So yeah. There are all the buttons stuff. If you guys want to see my face, I have shown it in the video before. Oops. Should've never done that. Sorry. And you guys see my face before. Who am I kidding? But I'm gonna show my face in this episode later. Well, I'll probably do it right now. Hi guys. So you saw my face. And then we'll spend a little time with the doggies. Come here, Hershey.
Jingle.
Hershey.
Hershey's there.
Hershey. Hey, stop.
Hey, stop.
Come here.
He wants to see your video.
Come here, baby
Lloyd,
boy.
Jingle
Come
wants to see your
here.
video, Lloyd.
Come here.
Jingle wants to see your video. Hershey, stop.
Come here. Hey, stop. And there's Jingle. Jingle.
I got him.
Ah, there's Jingle. He's playful too.
I'm hurtful.
Yeah, my brother's hurtful, but he's not that hurtful.
I'm a roll. Get out now. Wowzers, he's fast. Get up, wow.
Oh crap! Jingle! Ah! Jingle!
Jingle.
Just taking a poop. Don't worry about him. We'll see him later on when he's done taking a poop.
He's going.
Yeah.
Now he's coming.
I might just sit down. No, he's taking a poop.
Jingle.
No, Jingle! Jingle! He wants to go inside. Boo you, Jingle. Get in there. Hershey, you stay out here. You sit down with me.
Jingle needs out. sheep. Oh, hide sheep in the house. Trying to get stuff out of the way.
You don't listen to me. You won't like supposed to go inside. She's so annoying. Guys, I'm sorry about that. But she is annoying. Most of the time. It's another person. I think I'm gonna end it here, guys. If we could go up to 20 to 30 subscribers, I would love that. And I don't have any subscribers yet. Alex did not mess with anything. So yeah. So if we could get up to 60 subscribers, 30 to 60 subscribers, I would love that. And see you guys later. Bye.